Alright, tech fam, buckle up and adjust your seats, because we are about to step outside the box. Today, we aren't talking about some mediocre slab of plastic and glass. We are talking about the brand that set the boring smartphone world on fire with its transparent DNA. That's right, we're diving into the next big disruption, the Nothing Phone 4. Are you one of those people tired of seeing the same copy-paste designs every single year? The same recycled cameras, the same yawn-worthy looks? Well, hold your breath. Because Nothing has cooked up an engineering marvel that is going to melt your brain. This isn't just a phone, it's an alien spaceship in your pocket. Let's break down the leaked specs of this transparent revolution that the industry didn't see coming. Leaked features of the Nothing Phone 4. Display. First, let's talk about the thing you'll be staring at hundreds of times a day, the display. The Nothing Phone 4 is rocking a 6.78-inch LTPO Flow AMOLED panel. But this isn't just a screen, it's a portal to another dimension. We're looking at a 1.5K ultra-sharp resolution, meaning every photo and video looks so crisp you'll want to reach out and touch it. With a massive 2800 nits of peak brightness, you could be standing in the middle of a desert at high noon, and every pixel will still shine like a diamond. And for the gamers, an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz. It's so fluid, scrolling feels like your finger is floating on air. Plus, those perfectly symmetrical bezels, top, bottom, left, right, all exactly the same. It's a visual masterpiece that's just pure, satisfying bliss for your eyes. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the part that is giving the rest of the smartphone industry nightmares, the camera setup. Nothing doesn't do filler lenses or fake numbers. They're all about raw, professional power. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel Sony flagship with OIS, capturing that natural essence that's been lost in a sea of over-processed AI beauty modes. It's paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that handles everything from sweeping landscapes to 2.5 centimeters macro shots. But the real showstopper, the 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. With 3x optical and 30x digital zoom, that bird in the distance or that mountain peak is now right in your face. And don't forget the iconic glyph lights on the back. During video shoots, they transform into a soft ring light, giving your skin a studio-quality glow even in the pitch black. Performance. Under the hood of this glass machine beats the heart of the world's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, this thing is lightning fast and stays ice-cold. Whether you're rendering 8K video, running heavy coding apps, or pushing Genshin Impact to max settings, this phone won't even blink. You're getting 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and the software. Nothing OS 4.0 based on Android 16. It is clean, minimalist, and contains zero bloatware. Those new interactive dot matrix widgets let you see everything you need without even unlocking the phone. It's not just software, it's an experience. Battery backup. When it comes to juice, Nothing isn't playing around. We've got a 5200 mAh high-density battery here. Thanks to Nothing's legendary software optimization, this is a true 2-day phone. And if you do run low, don't sweat it, 100-watt superfast wired charging gets you from 0 to hero in just 20 minutes. You've also got 50-watt wireless support, and my personal favorite, reverse wireless charging. Just flip the phone over, drop your earbuds on the back, and watch the glyph lights pulse like a charging progress bar. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Price and launch date. So, here is the big question. When can you get it and what's it going to cost? Nothing has always hit that sweet spot between value for money and a premium image. According to market leaks, the Nothing Phone 4 is expected to start between $599 and $649. At that price, getting this level of flagship power and unique design is an absolute steal. It's a direct shot across the bow for the expensive iPhone and Samsung lineups. As for the launch, mark your calendars for July or August 2026, because that's when this transparent monster hits the streets. So, what do you think? Are you going to stay part of the crowd, or are you ready to step into the world of Nothing? Let me know in the comments if this is your next upgrade.